What's the first thing you do when you wake up? Be honest. Do you jump out of bed ready to go? Or do you hit snooze 10 times?
You already know the answer. I always hit snooze. My alarm rings, I open one eye, and then boom, 30 minutes are gone.
Same here. I tell myself every night, tomorrow I'll wake up early and exercise. Spoiler alert, I never do.
We all say that. But today, we're not here to judge anyone's morning routine. We're here to talk about something every beginner in English needs: how to describe your day in simple English.
Yes, we'll walk through everything from waking up to going to bed, and we'll show you natural, easy phrases you can use every single day.
And before we start, a tiny favor. If you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe to the Easy English Show, like this video, and leave a quick comment about your day.
It really helps us reach more learners like you, and we love reading your stories.
All right, ready? Let's start with the morning, everyone's favorite part of the day. Or not.
Let's go. My alarm goes off at 7, but my brain says, nope. I usually wake up around 7:15 after hitting snooze 3 times.
I try to wake up earlier, around 6:30. I like the quiet. The world feels calm. No messages, no emails.
You sound so peaceful. I just wake up confused, looking for my phone.
Okay, let's start with some basic morning verbs. Repeat after us. Wake up, get out of bed, go to the bathroom, brush your teeth, wash your face.
Then I usually go to the kitchen, and that's where the most important part of my day happens. Coffee.
You and your coffee. I usually make breakfast. Sometimes toast and eggs or cereal with fruit.
So make breakfast and have breakfast. 2 super useful phrases.
Right. After breakfast, I get dressed. That means I put on my clothes for the day.
And if you're going out, you put on your shoes and put on your coat.
Exactly.
My mornings are usually a little crazy. I always forget something. My keys, my wallet, my brain.
We all do. But mornings are important. They start your day with energy.
Once I'm finally ready, I leave the house. That means I go outside to start my day.
And that's when the real adventure begins.
Oh, yes. Traffic, buses, and bad weather.
Let's talk about that next.
So I usually leave home around 8. If the weather's nice, I walk to the bus stop.
I usually drive because my office is about 30 minutes away. But I hate traffic lights. They always turn red just for me.
Same here. But here are some easy work phrases. Go to work, take the bus, walk to work, drive to work, arrive at the office.
If you're late, you can say, I'm late for work. If you're early, I arrive early.
I'm never early, ever.
Once we finally arrive, we start our workday with one goal in mind: survive until lunch.
True. Let's talk about what happens at work.
I work in an office, so the first thing I do is sit at my desk and turn on my computer.
I open my laptop and stare at my inbox like it's a monster waiting to attack me.
Then I answer emails, write reports, and have meetings with my team.
You can also say talk to colleagues or make phone calls.
Some days, everything goes smoothly. Other days, my brain just says no.
I know that feeling. I start a report, check my phone, get coffee, open YouTube, and oh look, it's lunchtime already.
So let's add a few more phrases. Work on the computer, write reports, have meetings, talk to coworkers.
And take a break. Don't forget that one. Everyone needs a break.
100%. Working all morning makes lunch taste even better.
Speaking of lunch, I'm hungry.
Me too. Let's talk about the best part of the day, lunch break.
Lunchtime, the one moment when the whole world stops.
For me, lunch is about relaxing and eating something nice. I often have a salad or some rice with chicken.
I usually have a sandwich. Easy, fast, and no dishes. Sometimes I bring lunch from home, sometimes I go out.
So you can say, have lunch, go out to eat, or bring lunch from home.
And don't forget drink water or have coffee after lunch.
Always coffee, always.
After eating, I feel sleepy though. I wish we had nap time at work.
Same. But no, we go back to work.
And that's when the afternoon begins, the slowest hours of the day.
The afternoon is usually quiet. I finish my reports, answer more emails, and plan for tomorrow.
I prepare lessons or edit documents. Around 5, I start counting minutes until I can go home.
Everyone does that. When the clock hits 6, it's time to finish work and leave the office.
And that's when I smile for the first time all day.
Same. Because next comes my favorite part, going home.
When I get home, I throw my bag on the chair, change clothes, and just breathe.
I'd take off my shoes, wash my hands, and make tea. That first sip feels amazing.
Then I relax on the sofa, watch TV, or listen to music.
Sometimes I call my family or talk to my friends. That's my way to recharge.
I like to cook dinner. Usually pasta, I know, boring, but I'm good at it.
Nothing wrong with pasta. I like cooking something new. Sometimes I try recipes from other countries.
So the key verbs here: cook dinner, have dinner, wash the dishes, talk to friends, watch TV.
Evenings are when we slow down. The workday is over and you can just be yourself again.
Yeah, no bosses, no emails, just dinner and peace.
But before we finish the day, we still have one last part, the night.
My night routine is simple. I brush my teeth, check my phone one last time, and go to bed.
I usually read a few pages of a book or listen to some quiet music before sleeping.
If I open a book, I fall asleep after 2 pages.
That means it's working.
So here's the language. Brush your teeth, go to bed, sleep.
Simple words, but they describe the most peaceful time of day.
And that's my day. Messy, noisy, but mine.
Let's quickly review today's words.
Morning, wake up, get out of bed, brush your teeth, make breakfast, get dressed, leave the house.
Work. Sit at your desk, answer emails, have meetings, write reports, take a break.
Lunch. Have lunch, go out to eat, drink coffee.
Evening. Go home, relax on the sofa, cook dinner, wash the dishes, talk to friends.
Night. Brush your teeth, go to bed, sleep.
All simple, all useful, and you can start using them today.
Now it's your turn. Tell us about your day in English in the comments below.
Don't worry about mistakes. Practice is what makes you better.
And if you like this episode, hit the like button, subscribe to the Easy English Show, and share it with a friend who's learning English too.
Every like helps us grow and make more lessons like this one.
We really appreciate you being part of our community.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, small steps every day lead to big progress.
Exactly. Thanks for joining us, everyone.
See you next time and have a wonderful day.
Bye.